Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak. Now I will be discussing the most important trigonometry concepts, okay, and I will be solving the last 5-year questions of our the topic of discussion on trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, and this is lecture 3 of my discussion. Okay, in the lecture 1 I have discussed all the MCQ type questions and 1-mark questions, and in lecture 2 I have discussed 2-mark question, and in between due to the timing we just ended the class early. Today I will be discussing the remaining 2-mark question and subsequently I will be solving the 3-mark question in this session. Okay, so most of you are online. Thank you so much, Maunesh, Prem, Irfan, then Samar, then AI world. Hello for everyone. Sir, day by day I am losing my hope for examination, so give me any suggestions, sir. DM Irfan is asking. See, don't lose any hope. 85 days are remaining for your examination, okay, and still there is a time. If you just invest one day fruitfully, so you will take around 85%, okay. So one day carries each 1%. You can just uplift yourself. So if you just want to improve, you can just solve the previous year questions, or you can study the passing package. From there you can start a scoring package, okay. So even I from our side, from my side, I will be providing what the scoring and the passing packages, which includes all the chapter wise important questions and answers, previous year short question papers, okay, of all the subjects. If you want to get those UDAAN books, you can see on the screen there is a number, and you can see 8123426450 is the number. So you can just WhatsApp or call to that number and you will get the details related to the book and content of the book. So total you will be getting 12 books, okay. In that particular price you will be getting total 12 books. Each subject has 2 books, okay. One book will consists of scoring package along with the chapter wise solutions of all the subjects, and second book is a passing package, wherein if you just study you will get all the contents, and precisely only what is included in present year is put in that book. So that is what I want to highlight here. So most of you are giving sir, Vikas is telling, give some motivation, sir. So in subsequent days I will be just beginning with some motivation for everyone. See, the motivation here in the sense is, hardly you are having what 85 days now, and each and every day is very much important, okay. So if you just lose one day by doing time pass, then 1% you will lose, and SSLC is a stepping stone for life. If you fail in the 10th standard, definitely you will fail in life. Why? Because it is a stepping stone. It is a deciding factor in which line your life will be turning. So that's what SSLC is considered as, what a turning point in everybody's life. So your parents, your teachers, and everybody just are involved for your progress and your betterment. So everybody are keen on your SSLC results. So you should give the great results in order that you can achieve the good results in future, okay. You should have good career in future. So Samra, that is good evening. So good evening everyone. So not wasting much time on this motivation, so let us begin with discussion. The study itself is a motivation. See, even I get motivated when you like, if you just share and subscribe to my video, I get motivated to come up with more such initiatives of solving, okay. It takes lot of efforts to come up with such videos. So much of accessories are needed to come for a live class, and so much of dedication, involvement and time is needed. So see, for up to your board exam I will be coming with more such initiatives, okay. So sir, Kannada blueprint, definitely English, Kannada and Hindi blueprints I will be uploading in subsequent days. Tomorrow you can expect English, okay. Subsequently you can expect the video on English blueprint very soon, okay. So now let us begin with what discussion. See, all these MCQ questions, if you just revisit the previous live videos, see there is a particular section called live videos and live. So just click on that, you will get the videos which I have solved previously, lecture 1. Then subsequently I have solved all these questions. Then I have solved Yes, all the 2 mark questions. So all these questions has been solved, and after solving 10th question, I have ended my discussion previously. So now what will I do is I will be solving the remaining questions. So you know this is one of the most important chapter. Around 7 marks directly will get. So total 10 to 12 marks you can expect from both trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry. As soon as I finish this concept, I will begin with some applications of trigonometry solving last 5 year questions. Okay. So you just be in line with me. Any kind of doubt, any kind of suggestions or any kind of feedback, you can just put it in the comment box below so that I can get to know the what are the requirements. Okay, so most of your Samra Mahdi is asking, sir, we all are very grateful for you. Okay, so even I am grateful to have such a YouTube family. Day by day it is growing, so thank you so much for everyone for such a support. Okay, so coming back to the discussion on this, one of the most important question, and I will not be solving any questions which are unrelated. Okay, these questions have already come in exam, and the possibility of getting the questions is very important. Okay, that means you can expect such questions in exam, and the board expects what such quality of such conceptual questions you can expect from the SSLC board. Okay, you can see this question, the one which I am solving now, has come in September 2020. Then subsequently August 2024, your just seniors have written this. That is those students who failed in the first and second, or those who have written the directly the third exam. This question has come. So not wasting much time. So let us begin with the discussion on the questions. Okay. See the question here: tan A minus sin A, tan A minus sin A divided by tan A plus sin A. This is what LHS. Okay, this is what LHS. You should get RHS. So how will you get RHS here? See, first whenever you are solving trigonometric question, you should know that always you should write in the form of sin and cos only. That is the prerequisite. Okay. See here, I will give the hint. The hint here is what? Write all trigonometric ratios. Write all T ratios. T ratios means what? Trigonometric ratios in terms of sin and cos only. Sin theta and cos theta only. See, you should not find any other thing. Okay. Now just coming back to the solution of this answer, tan E. Can you tell me what is the formula for tan E in terms of sin A and cos A? So can somebody tell me the formula for tan in the other formulas for tan A which I can able to solve? So if you yes, most of you are live today. Okay, so those students who are live and you are watching, in the comment section you can just let me know the formula for what? The tan A. Okay, so I'll just begin with the answer. See, tan A you can write it as what? Sin A by cos A. You should know the formula for tan A here. See, formula for tan A is what? Sin A by cos A minus sin A by 1 you can write. Okay, this is whole divided by, again denominator you can write it as what? Sin A by cos A plus sin A you can write, no need to by 1 you can write here. Now can you tell me what is common in both in this? This is numerator and this is denominator. Can you tell me what is common in these two? Yes, can somebody tell what is? Yes, Irfan has messaged sin A by cos A. Samra has messaged sin by cos. Okay, very good. You are in line. See, if you are following it, kindly put thumbs up so that I can get to know the students who are attending the class. Okay. So coming back to the discussion, so what is common in this? See, you are having sin A is common in numerator. If you take sin A common, you will be left out with what? 1 by cos A minus 1. Similarly, in denominator, you can see if you take sin A common. So what will you get if you take sin A common here? You will get 1 by cos A plus 1. Now sin A will get cancelled. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now you just tell me. Yes, here. What is 1 by cos? Okay, can somebody tell me what will you get 1 by cos? So if you 1 by cos is what here? Sec A minus 1. Again 1 by cos is what? of sec A plus 1. See, you should know all the ratios. This is what we should find. You can just see here. So you can just see the answer whether it is right. Sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1. Sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1. So therefore, we got it what? Sec A minus 1 by sec A plus 1. So you just find the answer in the here. Okay, I hope you got this. How should we able to solve? I'll just repeat. See, tan A minus sin A by tan A plus sin A. Hint is what? Write all t ratios in terms of sin theta and cos theta only. That is the hint you should know. Then sin A divided by cos A minus sin A divided by sin A divided by cos A plus sin A. Take sin A common. Okay, take sin A common. Sin A get cancelled. 1 by cos minus 1 will remain. You know 1 by cos is what? Sec A minus 1 will remain. 1 by cos is sec A plus 1. That is nothing but the RHS. Yeah, oh yes sir, understood, thank you, welcome Samra. Okay, so this is what RHS we should able to solve. I hope you got this. Now coming back to the last 2-mark question, after that I subsequently move on to the discussion of 3-mark questions. Okay, so let us begin with the discussion on this. Okay, now you see this question. How to begin with solution of question number 12? If root 3 sec A by cosec A equal to 1, then find the value of A. They are telling what to find value of A. You should be able to find. So how will you find this? See, root 3 sec A by cosec A. So how to find this one? Okay, see here, very easy sum it is. So how can you do? You should find the value of A here. Is equal to 1 they have given. So you should find value of A. What you do is you just take this root 3 here. And you know what is sec A? Sec A is what? Reciprocal of which? Cos A. Similarly, cosec A is what? Cosec A is reciprocal of sin A. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now, what you would write sec A, you can write it as 1 by cos A whole divided by cosec A, you can write it as 1 divided by sin A is equal to 1 upon root 3. How did I got this root 3? You just take down, you will get what? 1 upon root 3. I hope you are getting it. Okay. Now, see, this one will go here and this one will go here. So, sin A by cos A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Just now I just said what is value of sin by cos? Sin by cos is what? Tan A. So can somebody tell me which value of A will give you 1 upon root 3? Can you just put it in the comment box? Okay sir, tomorrow is FA3 test. Rehan study has message. Sir, not seeing clear board. Prajwal has message. Prajwal, clear. Just increase your resolution to 1080p in order to see the clear board. I hope you are getting the glare. Subsequently, I will just make it in the next class. Okay. Sir, make board correct, sir. Yes, Prajwal is asking. Okay, I'll just make it. Just a second. I'll just make it. I hope it is visible now. Just a second. Okay. I hope. I hope now the screen is little bit clear. Maybe it is somewhat darker, I think. So yes, most of you are commenting. Yes, nice it is. So I'll just increase the screen. Okay, so I hope now the screen is somewhat visible. Okay, so later I will just update it. Even I am new to the software, it will take some time for me to come up with the settings and all. So yes, sir, can you explain this problem again? Definitely I will come to the problem again. See, the question is, if root 3 sec A by cosec A is equal to 1, then find the value of A they are telling. See here, the question begins like this. This is the given. Now you take root 3 here, okay? And you know, always when you are solving trigonometry problems, you should write that Sec A is written as what? 1 by cos. Cosec A is written as what? 1 by sin. That is the prerequisite you should know. Now, in place of sec A, write 1 by cos. In place of cosec A, you write 1 by sin. Okay. Now, this one will go here. This one will go here. That means you will get what? Sin A by cos A, and this root 3 has come down. Now, sin by cos is what? Can somebody already you know sin by cos is what? Tan A, which is equal to 1 upon root 3. And most of you have commented already. Samara, Prem, everyone are commenting. So, sir, provide PDF. Definitely today at the end of this session, I will provide PDF of this chapter. Okay, so you will get access to all the questions today itself. Prakash has a message. Sorry, yes, Prakash Badigir. Definitely, I will do it, Prakash. Okay. Then, see, tan 30 is what? 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3. Tan is matching. So, you can write A is equal to how much? 30 degree. So, like this, you should be able and capable to find this. Okay. So, very good, Samra. Tan 30 is right. Siddhappa has messaged 30. Very good. So most of you are connected. Now coming to the most dangerous questions. Okay, that is 3 mark questions you will can expect, and only from this only you can just see the frequency of repetition of questions also. Okay, so you should make sure that from the last exercise of this chapter, each and every question, there are 10 questions which are very much important, and all the questions are you should able to remember, and this you cannot solve directly. This set of questions require practice. Okay, only by practice you can able to solve the application based questions from this. I mean, the questions, if they just twist little bit, then it is very difficult for you to connect. And how can you overcome that? It is only be overcome by the solution. That means by practice. Practice is the only key. Sir, what is the final answer? Samra is asking. It is 30 degrees. So angle A, you got it as what? 30 degree. They have asked you to find angle A. Okay. So if otherwise different problem, how to solve, sir? Mr. Wajidawati has a message. So see, if other problem comes, that is what I said. You should be thorough with the last exercise, and subsequently I will be solving now the remaining set of questions that will guide you to get the approach towards that set of questions. Even application based questions, with even more difficult level questions I will be solving in subsequent days. Okay, so yes, I will be coming back to what this question. See, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta plus cot theta the whole square. See, you can prove from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS. In your textbook, it is the first question, but it is the reverse one. Okay, from this you can go to this, or from this you can go to this. So I'll just begin from what RHS to LHS, which has been solved in your textbook. I will solve first, or if you just want me to solve from this to this, that also I can do. So first I will see you. First we will go from RHS to LHS, the one which is provided in the textbook. So if you are having text FA3 tomorrow, if the DM Irfan has message, definitely you can expect this set of questions. Okay, because these are the ones which will come in your every exam, not only in your FAs, not only in your practice exams, in your preparatories, in the board exam also you can expect such questions. Okay, Devraj Suma has message. Hi sir, hello Devraj. Okay, Devraj. Now coming to what the solution of this question. Okay, you can see the solution here. Well, I'll just take RHS and I'll come to LHS. This is the first method I will be solving. So I'll take RHS. The same question is printed in the first question of last exercise of your textbook. Okay, so just tell me what. Sorry, how to begin? You know. I will give the hint. The hint here is what? Convert in terms of sin and cos only. Convert in terms of sin theta and cos theta only. Sin theta and cos theta only. That is the first step you should know. What is the first step here? You should always convert in terms of sin theta and cos theta only. Okay. That is what you should know. Now you see here cosec theta. So how will you write cosec theta now? Cosec theta, can I write it as 1 minus sin theta. Oh, sorry, 1 divided by sin theta. Reciprocal of cosec is what? Sin theta. Similarly, plus cot theta can write it as cos theta by sin theta. You can ask why. Cot theta is again can be written as 1 by tan. Why didn't I write 1 by tan? Because the hint here is what? Convert in terms of sin theta and cos theta only. Now, what is common? And it is whole square. Now, what is common in this? You see, LCM is same. So, take sin theta what? Common. Numerator is what? 1 plus cos theta the whole square. Now, next what will you do is, you give this square to both numerator and denominator. You give the square to both numerator and denominator. You will get 1 plus cos theta the whole square whole divided by sin square theta. Okay, like this you should solve this. Then you know one formula here, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. This is the first identity. You know the three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. These are the three identities you should be knowing. Now I need sin square. So how will you write sin square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. So this identity you should use here. See here, what will I write? 1 plus cos theta the whole square whole divided by sin square theta. How can I write? I can write 1 minus cos square theta. Definitely, I can write it as what? 1 minus cos square theta. Now it is 1 square is what? 1. Now you can use what here? A square minus b square. Okay, you can use what? A square minus b square. So here if you just write a square minus b square, so just a second. Okay, if you just write a square minus b square, what will you come? Can somebody tell me the formula here? A square minus b square is what? A minus b into a plus b. So here what can you write? 1 plus cos theta the whole square whole divided by a square minus b square. That means I can write it as 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Here 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta what? It will cancel out. Now 1 plus cos theta will remain here, and here 1 minus cos theta will come. This will give you LHS. So this is one of the method you can able to solve this one. Okay, I hope you are getting this. See, if you are getting it, kindly put thumbs up in the comment section so that I will get to know. Shashank has messaged a minus b into a plus b. Very good, Shashank. Okay, sir, please. Yeah, FA3 question paper. Nitin CM has messaged which are the important questions for FA3. See, the one which I am solving are previous year questions and considered as one of the most. Definitely one question from this will come for sure for tomorrow's FA3 examination, those who are having, because already this have come in exam. Those students who already finished their FA3 having this chapter have just come. I have just observed the one of the questions which have come from this itself. Okay, so one of the most challenging and one of the most important exercise it is. Fixed 3-mark question you can get. Okay, everyone are putting thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay, so PDF definitely Siddhappa, as soon as I finish the session, the live session, I will upload, because I will be uploading the PDF today. Okay, that is for sure. And if you are finding it helpful, kindly like. And if you just need the passing packages, the scoring packages in order to uplift your marks according to the present syllabus of 2024-25, then you can contact to the number which is given here. You can just see to order UDAAN books, call 812-342-6450. All subjects you can expect. The stock is limited, so you can just call or WhatsApp to the number. Our team will connect back to you, and within 2 or 3 working days you can expect. So within 2 or 3, it will reach to your home through courier. Okay, that is what it is planned. Okay, most of you are commenting. So in other method with formula we can do, sir. No, you see, if you use by formula, you never get the answer. I hope you got this one. So coming back to question number 2, one of the most challenging question. I never ever your seniors have expected this. Okay, super duper senior who have written have seen this. Okay, so very one of the most challenging question which is not there in exam in your textbook or in example. Directly this question has appeared in the board examination of April 2020. So let us begin with the discussion of this. So given is what? So just a second. Yes. I'll just take away this and I'll just begin with what discussion of the question. Just you can find the question here. The question is if x is equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta and y equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta, you should prove what x square minus y square equal to q square minus p square. The question is what? I hope you got this. Sir, explain 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, you want me to explain the previous sum? See here, the previous sum was 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta the whole square. Now take RHS here. You take RHS because this is provided in the textbook first question itself. So how can you just write? You can write here cosec theta plus cot theta the whole square. I will give the hint. The hint is what? Any question in trigonometry, try to convert in terms of sin theta and cos theta only. Now you see cosec theta is what? 1 by sin plus cot theta is what? Cos by sin. So sin theta is common. Okay, it is having the same base. So 1 plus cos theta, the whole square will be that. Then what should you do is this square you give to both numerator and denominator, you give the square. You will get what? 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 minus cot theta the this sin square. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means sin square theta, if you just transfer cos square here, 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square. So 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 square is 1. 1 minus cos square theta. Here you can see this formula, that is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So numerator don't touch, just keep as it is. Denominator you write what? A plus b, a minus b, that is a plus b. A is 1, b is cos theta. A plus b, a minus b, it is a square. That is 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta cancel. Remaining is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. That will give you LHS. Okay, like this you should be able to solve this one. I hope you got this clarity because these are 3-mark questions and you should not give any kind of opportunity to lose 3 mark, and one of the most scoring thing it is. Okay, so any doubt or any kind of feedback or suggestion put here so that I can get to know your queries. Okay, so Nandini has a message. Thank you, sir. Welcome, Nandini. So all for all. Okay, so coming back to this one, the one which I was solving now, question number 2. X is equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta and y equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta. Then prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square. The question I have already written. So I will take what? LHS here. So LHS is what? X square minus y square. This LHS you can just see clearly. X square minus y square is LHS. That one I will take and we will able to solve. So you know x is what? P tan theta plus q sec theta the whole square. Why? Because x square it is minus what you do? This one, p sec theta plus q tan theta the whole square. Okay, I hope you got the first step. Okay, then then what you can do is you use what? A plus b the whole square formula. What is a plus b? Because you can see here this is binomial. So it is binomial scale. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula you use. Okay, definitely in very soon you will get a square. A square is what? P square tan square theta. That means you should give square to both. A square, that is p square tan square theta plus q square sec square theta. Sorry, you should write what? 2ab. A is what? P tan theta and into b is q sec theta plus q square sec square theta. This is numerator. So this is the first. See, a plus b the whole square. A square is b square tan square theta plus 2. A is p tan theta dot q sec theta plus q square sec square theta. Minus sign you write, and I write in here. Here only I will able to write this. Okay. Now it will be very lengthy, so I'll just try to write here. I hope it is visible. See, here you can write what? P square sec square theta. Just put the bracket because minus sign it is. So here p sec theta, how can you write? P square sec square theta plus 2 p sec theta into q tan theta plus q square tan square theta. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this b is having both, you should use square. Now you just give this minus sign to what? All the three terms here. You should give minus sign to all. See, be careful. Okay, explain once more. Definitely I will do. Moksha sir, your voice is not audible. Yes, I hope my voice is audible. If not, just let me know so that I can do something. I hope my voice is audible, everyone. If it is audible, kindly put thumbs up so that I'll get to know that you are getting my voice. Okay. So Suhas Gaming has a message. What? Thank you, sir. Welcome, Suhas. So, sir, this question is from our textbook, but it is twisted. Nandini Baswa has message. So no, this question is not from your. It is present in your syllabus. That means the concepts are there, but it is not from the textbook. Okay, I'll just make myself my. Yes, sir, it is audible, Sashank. Thank you, Sashank. I'll just continue with this. Okay. So what will I do? You should put minus sign to all. So this one keep as it is. P square tan square theta plus 2p tan theta. So I can write it as what? 2pq tan theta and sec theta plus q square sec square theta. Minus sign you should do to both, all. Okay, so here minus 2pq tan theta sec theta plus, sorry, plus into minus 2 square tan square theta. Now you can see here this is plus and this is minus. This term and this term will become off. So I hope you got here this term 2pq tan theta sec theta, 2pq tan theta sec theta has cut off. Why? Because of the same like terms. That is, it is positive and it is negative, both are like terms. Now you just see here p square tan square theta will remain plus q square sec square theta will remain. Here p square sec square theta will remain minus q square tan square theta will remain. Okay, now what will you do is you take what? P square common. Okay, you take p square common. So what can you do here? P square tan square theta rearrange. Okay, this one you take here minus p square sec square theta. Okay, next what can you write is you can take plus q square sec square theta, then minus q square tan square theta. What I have done here is I have rearranged with p square. I have written p square. So this and this term have come together. Okay, these two terms have come together. Plus q square sec square theta minus q square tan square theta. This two has come here. Now what is common? It is easy now to find the p square. So it is tan square theta minus secant square theta plus q square sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now you see, you know one formula. What is that one formula? Here one formula is what? 1 plus 1 identity is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. You know what is the identity? The identity say here is what? That is 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. You just transfer this here. 1 is equal to tan square theta minus sec square theta, and if you just write this reciprocal, the sign will change. Minus 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now you substitute here p square. What is tan square theta minus sec square theta? It is 1 plus q square. What is sec square theta minus tan square theta? It is minus 1 p square 1 is p square minus q square 1 is q square. So you will get what? You will get answer as like this. Okay. So I hope it is right. Okay. So like this you should get q square minus p square. Okay, tan square minus, so this one is just I'll rearrange. See here, I'll just rewrite one more. Sorry. Such a lengthy question, even the screen is lagging. Okay, see here what has happened here. I'll just let you know. See, the identity is what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus is equal to sec square theta. 1 equal to sec square theta minus this one is doing here tan square theta. And if you write this reverse, that is tan square theta minus sec square theta will give you minus 1. Okay, whenever you swap, you will get what? Minus 1. Now you substitute p square. What is tan square theta minus sec square theta? It is minus 1 plus q square. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. You will get minus p square plus q square. It is q square minus p square, which is equal to RHS. See, that is what we need to solve here. We need to find what? X square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. We need to solve. I hope you got this. Unique twins, as asking me, how are you, sir? I am excellent. I am fine. How are you? Okay. So just coming to what, I hope you got this. One of the most difficult question. X is equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta. Y is equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta. Take LHS, x square minus y square. X is this entire term square minus y square. Use this formula, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula you use, substitute, and by taking common and by using the identity, you will get the one of the most important question it is, and one of the most challenging question. If you are solving for first time, okay, it is very difficult for you to connect. Okay, because it is one of the most challenging and one of the most important concept in your for your examination. If you just want solution of your model question paper, preparatory question papers of previous year, so all that will be provided in the booklet. Okay, the one which I will be supplying in the past. For scoring package and passing package, I have solved all the 5-year question papers with the solutions you can expect along with the model question papers, preparatory exam and board examination questions. So if you want to get the maths book on all subject books, you you can just connect to the below number 81234 26450. This number you can just message or WhatsApp or call. You will get to the subsequent details related to the hard copies of the book. I know if I supply the PDF and all, though most of you will never download. Okay, I have seen the students are so lazy that they don't have time even to download. So reading is a big thing. So instead of that, supplying the hard copies, having it will help for them to read and score and uplift their marks. Okay, any doubt or any kind of suggestions, you can just connect to me. I am always helpful for you all, and in order to uplift your studies, I am dedicating much time for. Okay, so even I want the same support from you all. Okay, and that is what I can see. Okay, had dinner, sir? No, I need to just move home and I should have dinner. So it is already, I think, about to 9. I'll just solve the next question. Okay, so I hope you got this. Coming to the next question, and this question is there in textbook. Okay, June 22 the question has come. So let us begin with the discussion of the question number 3 here. Okay, so I will be solving what? Question number 3 I will be solving. So what is that question number 3? Just see. Okay, so you can okay, you can just see here. I hope it is okay, it is visible. Yes. So you can see here question number 3 says what? Sin A plus cosec A the plus cos A plus sec A the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the only sorry, this is the only question in your textbook which is using what all the three identities, and one of the most important question it is. Okay. See here how to solve this one. See 2024-25 batch FA3 math question paper in YouTube. So they are telling, see here FA3 question paper, in the sense the school will set the question paper. So like this you should able to just solve the model question paper to uplift your marks. Okay. So see here sorry, question number 3 I will be solving now. The question is sin A plus cosec square A. Okay, I write here sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. You should prove what? Equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. You should prove this tan square A plus cot square A. You need to prove this one. Now how to prove this one? Is there anything any shortcut? No, you should directly solve, and all the three identities you should use in order to solve this. Okay, so let us begin with what? The discussion. So how to begin with this? See, take LHS. What is LHS here? Sin A plus cosec A the whole square. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. Okay. Now you can use what? A plus B the whole square formula. What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is the formula you should use. Okay, A square, binomial square it is. A square plus 2AB plus B square formula you should use. Now it is what? Sin square A plus 2AB, 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A. This is what? This term. See here, A square plus 2, A is sin A, B is cosec A plus cosec square A, plus this one you should write. So what can you get here? So what can you get here? You can get here cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. Like this you should be able to. And you know the formulas here which all to use I will write here, so that you will get to know in the bracket, in the box I will write, it will help for you. Now here you see this sin square theta plus cos square theta both equal to 1. You know दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके. So sin square theta and cos square theta both together will become 1. So this sin square theta and cos square theta, what will happen is they will become what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta दोनों मिलके क्या होते? एक होते. Okay, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then if I write reciprocal of cosec, so what is reciprocal of cosec A? Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Then similarly reciprocal of sec A is what? 1 upon cos A. These three formulas we should use, and this is the first identity I will be using, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now you just see ये दोनों मिलके क्या हो गए? एक हो गए, because of this identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This together has become what? 1. Now 2 sin A, I can write cosec A has what? 1 by sin plus cosec square A, right, as it is, plus here this together has become 1. 2 cos A sec A, I can write it as 1 by cos A plus sec square A. Cos A get cancelled, sin A get cancelled. So what will remain now? Equal to 1 plus 2 plus cot square A. See how can you write cosec square A? See cosec square A is what? 1 plus cot square A. You can write it as what? Cosec square A. Remember 1 plus cot square A is what? Cosec square A, and 1 plus tan square A is what? You can write it as sec square A. Now you just see here, one you write plus 2 you write this cosec square a. I can write it as what? 1 plus cot square a. Do you agree? See, cosec square a is what? In place of cosec square a you write 1 plus cot square a plus, then here plus 2 will remain and this cancel, okay, 1 ho jata, plus sec square a. How can you write sec square a? Sec square a is written as 1 plus tan square a. Now you see here 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. This is equal to RHS. This is what we need to find. Just see here, we need to find 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. This much lengthy sum you should be able to solve. Okay, then only you can be able to fetch the 3 mark here. Okay, sir, this PDF in group. Piyush Jain is asking. Definitely, I will provide the PDF in group at the end of this session. Okay, most of you are live. So if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe so that I can get to know that you are just in line with me. Okay, so very nice, sir. Unique Twins has message, thank you. And if you just need any kind of help or any kind of material needed, you can just WhatsApp or call to the number. I'll be glad to speak to you and I can provide the study materials for you which are very relevant for your upcoming examination. Okay, so coming back to the next question. The next question is what? Question number 4. Okay, this question number 4 I need to solve now. Okay, so let us begin. So, such a very interesting concept it is, but only if you know the formula, then only you can able to solve. Even the screen is lagging. Okay, I'll just take a second to wipe out. Okay. Now you just see the next question is very important and it has come for 3 mark. Okay, the next question what you can find is the next question has come for 3 mark. You can see this question just now I have solved previously. Now I will be solving this question number 4 which has come in April 2022. Okay, so at the end of this session, most of you are asking for PDF. At the end of this session, I will upload this PDF in your all the groups, WhatsApp and Telegram and subsequent groups. Okay, so I will be just putting. How should I prepare for preparatory next month? Raju Patel. See, preparatory, the name itself start with what? Preparatory. You should prepare. So for preparatory examination, the prerequisite is each and every question from your textbook you should be knowing. Secondly, you should be knowing all the examples. Third, you should be knowing all the last 5-year questions. The last 5-year questions will give an idea in which direction you should focus. Okay, where should you focus and where should you, what concepts you should give more important. More importance, because what will happen is simply if you go on reading the quality, the questions what will be asked in the exams will just be not getting more focus on that. Only the question papers will guide you that what sort of questions will appear in examination, and those questions you should be thorough. Not only do this in every examination, let it be even government examinations and all. The only thing is what you should be focusing on more of previous year question papers. Okay, then only you will get to know the idea of how the questions will be. Then when you are reading, your mind will be connecting to it. Okay, this question has appeared in this year, the possibility of getting the same concept will repeat every year, especially in science, social science. So even though the syllabus is very vast, but the questions appearance and the quality of questions remains same. The board expects such a learning from you all. Okay, simply they will not ask any XYZ things. There will be some kind of concepts the board has fixed, and only those questions will be asked every year. Okay, so let us begin our discussion on question number 4. See, question number 4 goes like this: sec theta. This is question number 4. Sec theta 1 minus sin theta. Again, sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. Now, how to solve this? See, already I said a hint. Can somebody just recall what the hint I have given? Can just put it in the comment box. Any question it is, there is a one hint we should be knowing. What is that hint? Can somebody tell me? The hint is what? Convert in terms of sine and cos only. Just by heart this. Just by heart this and just remember this. Okay. So what you should by heart? Convert in terms of sine and cos only. Sine theta and cos theta only. If you remember this, then only you can able and capable to solve the subsequent answer. Or else it is very difficult for you. Simply it is very difficult for you that how to start the answer, that itself is very difficult. Okay, kaise start karna, how to start the answer, that itself has become difficult thing. So I will give the hint. Any question from trigonometry always begin with what? If it is a new one, convert in terms of sine and cos only. That will directly give you what? The approach towards your answer. Okay, so sir, I couldn't take your book, so sir, please give me in a group, please. Yes, sir, Afan has a message, so definitely you just connect to this number. They will our team will guide you. Okay, so coming back to this, see, a sec theta you can write it as 1 by cos. Here 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta you can write it as 1 by cos theta. Tan theta you can write it as sin by cos. Okay, I have taken LHS. So this is LHS. Now you just see here, this is 1 upon cos theta and this is 1 minus sin theta, keep as it is. Here the LCM is same. You can see here it is cos theta and here also it is cos theta, and both the side the LCM is what? It is same. So you can write it as what? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Now you can just see here denominator is what? Cos theta and cos theta. So if it is cos theta and cos theta, how will you write? You can write here cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Then 1 minus sin theta. Here numerator is 1 plus sin theta. So here you can see, here you can just solve using what? A minus b into a plus b. What will you get? You get it an identity, a square minus b square. Okay, so you know what is the identity? A square minus b square will give you what? A plus b into a minus b. Ganesh sir might do it tomorrow. How to prepare, sir? Okay, yes, I think. Sir, do electricity remaining questions do tomorrow? Definitely I will do it tomorrow, because now I'll just finish off the remaining part and subsequently I will begin with the new topics of our discussion. Okay, that is what I will be doing, and make sure that along with me you also just practice here itself, so that later you can save time for other subjects also. Okay, even maths and science I will be taking much time. Subsequently social science, all the objective type questions chapter wise I will be beginning now. Okay, in subsequent classes. Now just see here what will come. A plus b, a minus b, it is a square minus b square, then it is cos square theta. Now 1 square is 1 only. Already I said in the beginning what is 1 minus sin square theta. So can you tell me what is 1 minus sin square theta? You know that formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. दोनों मिलके 1 होते. So sin square theta plus cos square theta दोनों मिलके 1 हो गए. I need 1 minus sin square. Sin square को इधर भेजो. क्या आता? 1 minus sin square will become what? Cos square. So this will become what? Cos square theta, and this will be cos square theta. दोनों cos cos मिलके क्या हो गए? 1 हो गए. So that is you should be able to solve this sum. I hope you got how to solve this question. Sorry. See here, I'll just repeat. See, the question is like this: sec theta into 1 minus sin theta, sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. Convert in terms of sin theta and cos theta only. Sec you can write it as 1 by cos. This is 1 minus sin theta. Sec is 1 by cos plus sin by cos. Then what will you do? See here, cos theta remains in a plus b, a minus b. You will get cos into cos, cos square theta. Then here you use what? A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. This is cos square theta. Then you know this identity, because these sums are related to identities. You should be able to know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Set a sin square there. So what will come? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square. Cos square by cos square will give you 1, and that will give you what? RHS. Like this, you should be able to solve this one. I hope you are getting it. Okay. So, okay, Zarina has messaged. Okay, sir. Thank you, Moksha. One good. So most of you are in line, and most of you are connecting to me. So if you are having any kind of discussion or any kind of suggestion or feedback, just put it so that I can just see on the screen here. So the comments I can read through and I can connect back to you. Sir, if you contact this number, they will provide a soft copy also. Just connect to the number which is given. Our team will guide you in all the possible ways to provide you the best materials. Okay. That is what our objective is, to uplift your learning. Okay, so much efforts from our side we are putting. So likewise, I want you to just get motivated and just in line with the studies in order to get succeed in your examination. Okay, so not surface areas and volume. The next is some applications of trigonometry. After that, we will begin with what? We will begin with the next, that is surface areas and volumes. Okay, that likewise we will be planning. Now coming to the next set of questions. So the next question is what? This sec A minus cos A into cot A plus tan A. So this question we will be, sorry, we need to solve question number 5 now. I hope I just finished 4. Sorry. So April 2023, you can see 2 questions have come. That means this is the OR question. One of this you should be able to solve. So I will be beginning with what? Question number 5 now. So let us begin with question number 5. Okay. So I know the questions are very lengthy, but this time what you are contributing for learning, it will fetch you good results later. Okay. So if you understand once, you yourself can solve any problem. That is the beauty of this chapter. One of the most difficult chapter in SSLC. If you are taking science, okay, particularly science, PCMB or PCMS in your in your PUC, then definitely this chapter will not leave you. This, from this only the new concepts will begin. So this is the just a stepping stone for your future learning if you are taking science. But if you take commerce, nowhere you just connect to this sin theta and cos theta. Okay, like that it has been designed. So just begin with what question number 5 here. You see here question number 5 is what? Root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is cosec A plus cot A. This similar question is there, but in textbook the similar question is in place of sin, it is in place of cos, it is sin. The same question you can find in textbook, but here it is cos theta, but in textbook it is sin theta. So you can just correlate and solve subsequently. Okay, so just let us begin with what this question number 5 now. So what is the question? Prove that root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equal to cosec A plus cot A. So like that the question is. So take LHS. Okay, take what? LHS. So LHS is what? 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So whenever root comes, what should you do? How to start? Remember, whenever root comes, there is one approach. What is that approach? The approach is you should rationalize the denominator. Okay, you should know the rationalization factor here. So what you should do is you should rationalize. Okay, you should rationalize denominator. Okay, you should rationalize what? Denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor for denominator? See, just see here root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Just what is the rationalizing factor? Can somebody just comment in the comment box below so that I can get to know you are in line with me. Okay, yes, let me know what sort of question. Already it's 9 o'clock, so let it be. Just begin with the solution. See, the rationalizing factor is 1 minus cos A is 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So what will you write here? Root of 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A will give you what? what? 1 plus cos A the whole square. Denominator is 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. What will you get? See here, it is A plus B, A minus B. Here you can write it as what? A plus B into A minus B. It will give you A square minus B square. Okay, A plus B into A minus B will give you A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus cos square. Now you see 1 plus cos A the whole square divided by, see, 1 square minus cos square. What answer will you get? See, 1 minus sin cos square is sin square A and 1 minus sin square is cos square A. You will get what here? Sin square A. So similarly, this root you give to both numerator and denominator. Okay, this root you give to both numerator and denominator. Okay, see, square root will get cancelled in both numerator and denominator. Both square and square root will get cancelled. Now what will remain is 1 plus cos A by sin A. See, since many years you know LCM means what, to just combine the fraction, but from the 10th standard you should know how to split the LCM. So what will have you should know, just you should split the LCM. So what you should do here, 1 by sin A. That means this you should do to both, plus cos A by sin A will come. Then what will come is 1 by sin. What is 1 by sin? Cosec A. Cos by sin is what? Cot A. This will give you what? RHS. I hope you got this. Okay, like this you should be able to solve this sum. See, cosec A plus cot A. If not, I'll just repeat this. Sir should travel long distance to summarize telling. Sir, just take care of your health. See, definitely. So I know it is getting time. It's already 9:10 and it will take long time to reach to home. Okay, it's far. So this will be my last sum of my today's discussion. Subsequently, why it is taking much time? Because you see the question. They are, first of all, they are difficult and they are very lengthy also. Not only difficult, but they are lengthy. They are taking much time to solve. Okay, and definitely I'll just solve all the questions tomorrow, and I will be coming up with the new concepts. Okay, so the remaining electricity questions also I will be solving subsequently. So if you just need any kind of help or any kind of feedback or suggestion, kindly let me know. I'll just revisit this question. See, the question is root of 1 plus cos theta or 1 minus cos theta is cosec A plus cot A. I said what you should do whenever root comes, rationalize denominator. The rationalizing factor is 1 minus cos A is what? 1 plus cos A by cos A. This numerator square, denominator A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Then don't touch numerator, keep as it is. Denominator 1 square is 1, and so 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square. Then this root you give to both numerator and denominator. Square root will get cancelled here. Then what will remain? 1 plus cos A by sin A. And since many years you know that LCM is to join from this here, you should yes, why is rationalizing necessary? So without rationalizing factor you cannot solve this. Whenever root comes, root and square will get cancelled. And when will you get square and root? Only by rationalizing the denominator. Okay. Then just keep the LCM 1 by sin, 1 by sin, cos by sin. Even if you take LCM, you will return back to this only. 1 by sin is what? Cosec. Cos by sin is cot. See, this question you should solve like this only. If you don't rationalize, never you will get the answer. Okay, like this you should be able to solve this. Okay, so Zarina, very good Zarina, you are giving the right answer here for easy cancellation. Okay, so very good. So kindly suggest your friends or all your friends to join the live classes so that even they get the good learning. So any kind of feedback or suggestion, kindly put it in the comment box. So 5 questions I have solved and total there are 10 questions. So tomorrow I'll just begin with the discussion on this very soon, and Thank you so much for just attending the class and so much of support from my lovely YouTube family. Thank you so much. Day by day, I am connecting and I am getting motivated to come up with the live classes. Okay, so thank you so much, and very soon, tomorrow I will come again. Every day I am planning to come for live classes. Okay, so thank you so much, and any kind of feedback or suggestion, kindly comment in the comment box below, and if you need any help or any kind of related to books, scoring packages or any kind of learning material, study material you need, you just message or call to 8123426450. The number has been provided. It is yes, it will help for your preparation for board exams. It includes the scoring package and the passing pattern and chapter wise solutions. Okay, of all the subjects of both English and Kannada medium. So make a yes. So thank you so much. We will meet very soon. Tomorrow I will come up with new concept. Thank you and good night. Keep learning and keep growing. Okay. So everyone has a message here. Samara, have a good and safe night. So thank you so much. So thank you for so much concern for everyone those who are commenting here. Thank you and all the very best. Take care, keep learning and keep growing. Meet you soon everyone. Thank you.